bus coming down. That's it. Good afternoon, guys. Just when I came off the bus, I had to do a little walking to get up here. This is Flat Rock Brook Nature Center. This is what I'm checking out today, the trail at this nature center. So slow the cars down. Slow me down too. I doing all these different nature trails. Right now it's fall. Today is very warm. I think it's 17 degrees today. So it makes it perfect weather to walk around here and check out this trail. I'm taking advantage now because when it get winter, when it reaches the winter, I don't like winter. I don't like coming out. So I'm going to take advantage of these few days when it's really warm so I can come and explore. Have a good time. Here's the visitor center. I have a bathroom. Have maps here so I can see which trail to go on. Whoa. This is a snake. We have my turtle guy here. Nature Center building. I wanted to get to this bridge over here. So you say go on a white trail and connect to the red trail all the way across, and it's a loop trail. Will take me over to the bridge. So let's get going and check out the trail. Okay, before I go on a wide trail, let me do a little walk around here. Which trail I want to go to first? It's a nice trail over here, too. Okay. This trail apparently is being renovated. I think they got the animals in here. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything in there right now. This is starting for the white trail. You see, I have the white mark in there, so definitely you know it's a white trail. Right here is a junction for the rail trail. I got a sticks. I didn't want to put my sticks today. This is red trail here. Yeah, that's the red trail. Going this way now. Out of curiosity, Beautiful nature. Still going on the red trail. Root out. Over a period of time with all the rain, the tree finally gave up and root out. Wow. It seems like there's a stream there. That is a stream. I'll go to the playground just now. I wanted to see this bridge. I'm not sure how far again I have to walk to meet up to this bridge. I'm gonna take some shots from here. I'm not sure if it's man-made or if it's natural. I'm trying to check it out. Got a lot of leaves on the floor. You can't see where you put in your foot. I don't think this is man-made. I think this is natural because you can see the corrosion over there on the side there, and that comes from when rain fall and the water come gushing down. So this most likely is a natural stream. It's like a semi-waterfall. I wouldn't step here. Keep going and try to go further. I don't know what time they close this trail off, but I'm trying to see as much as I can. I made it to the bridge on the trail. This is the bridge right here. It's a beautiful view of the bridge. This is the surrounding of the trail. With the leaves you can barely see where to put your foot. You gotta be very careful out here with a bridge. Oh, that's the green. Now Brian shows a different trail, green. Let me see what else is there. Being quiet and taking in the sounds of the wind of the trees. Relax your mind. Leaves are falling out of the tree. Really a peaceful feeling out here in nature. Away from the hustle and bustle. Yellow trail going that way. Green. I'm going back to red. Let me see some little bits in here. It's quite fenced off. This is surreal. This is part of the green trail. That's what those two girls walking on. So you'll take this trail, you'll keep walking the other side. Okay. Alright, so this is mainly the green trail. The afternoon turned out to be a beautiful afternoon. Nice and warm, relaxing, just to take in nature. It's really nice. These rocks, that's a wicked formation. Oh, that's a blue jay right there. Still walking around on the trail, and I run into this tree here. Look how this tree is. Inside of the tree is going. This is a what holding this tree up. That's just crazy. That is crazy. You see, this tree's almost gone. Wow, that is really, 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 really crazy. Okay, keep on moving. That's the orange trail I'm on right now. Easy trails. Just nice seeing the fall, you know, in fall, how the leaves change the color and coming down, the leaves just falling down. Makes it look epic. Truly a different outlook from summertime or spring. With the spring with the different flowers. It's a nice trail. It's not humongous. The park is very small, with different markings with the different colors. It's green, red, yellow, and orange. 3 different locations you can go to. It's not complicated, and it's well maintained. How my day start off with getting over here. 2 buses and 2 trains. From Manhattan. A lot of places in the United States you could get around to using public transportation. Some of it you might have to hike a little bit, but there's a lot of accessible places that you can come and enjoy for the day and go back home. I'm on the blue trail. Let's see, this is the Flat trail. So I'm checking out this part of the trail. This part of the park. Oh, you have chairs down there. I think you could go down there, you could go straight out. That's cool. Seen it there in a while. On the trail they have a scenic overlook. So I came up here to see what it looked like with the scenic overlook, and this is what it looked like here. There are some stones here blocking so you can't go past that, so you don't hurt yourself. You can't really see nothing down there because the trees are in the way. You can't really see any buildings or anything down there. But it's a nice idea. At least you can see the mountain in the background. I appreciate you guys when you spend time with me on my excursions and my travels. I really truly appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Take care. Peace out.